How to fix Facebook blocked messages. Hello everyone, in today's video I will share with you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook, open then Facebook and go to storage option. Click on the last button, clear data, click OK. And go back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to this option, remove permissions. If app is unused, turn on it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another